Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wah Gwan Tours here in Tsilivi. We're going to take a little nightlife walk. Let's go and see Wah Gwan.
You all know the vibe.
So, if you know where we are, it's the, I don't know if that's the word I cannot, Accommodations, what the hell that means. But yeah, just outside the bar here. Everyone's watching the game tonight. What we'll do is take a walk, see what's open, where everyone is. So you've got Calypso. Everyone's quite busy, not rammed, but like I said, football's on. It's about, what time are we coming up for, Sabrina? It's 10:15?
Yeah, coming up for about 10:15.
Yes.
Time, obviously.
Yeah, that's always where it's going to be. It's not 10:15 in the UK, is it? It's going to be 12:15 here. But yeah, so you've got Princess down there. Oh, you've got the little Elvis mobile. Check the people out. Woo! So yeah, Sabrina's got a bit of a cold, so I've got to put up with my voice tonight, my husky voice. So get Al Forton. Forton. Where did I get that from? So yeah, the traditional Greek. And you've got jokers here. You've got the
until 9:30.
black cat. Exactly. See who they got on. Using the AI really well here. Evening. That'll be busy all evening into, I think it's like 3 a.m, 4 a.m. Got the olive tree here. Across the road. The Flying Dutchman, eh? Always good for a beer. Got the horse and cart. Okay, thank you. Got Escape. Yeah, it's very nice. Across the road, Majestics. Look how nice Majestic looks. Let me know in the comments if it was like this last year. I just don't remember it being like this last year, so I don't think it was. You've got Spa, which prices are quite expensive at the moment. Everyone's blaming the war, but come on. It's food, subsidised food. Anyway, got the old snack bar. Evening, mate. So you got Goddess Athena, restaurant. What's this one called? Magdalena cocktail bar. You obviously write in the comments I'm saying it wrong. Remember to like, share, hype up the videos. Yeah, this one's really busy most of the time in the night time. They got Dia Lupe on tonight. She's been on already. Maybe they do about half-hour sets, don't they? So we're just coming up to Popeyes. So you've got all the souvenirs. It's like Souvenir Rally, isn't it? Plenty souvenirs. I think after being to Turkey and you get the football tops on there, I think you can get the same quality here. Or let me know in the comments if they are. The old horse there. Good evening. I'm okay, thank you. I don't like nose very much, do they? But yeah. Restaurant here. Bianco. Let's cross and not die. So you've got the horse coming down here, in front of the car. I Heart Platinum restaurant over there. Popeyes. There's Gyros Land here. Might come for one later on actually. Haven't decided yet. But maybe. You got a crepe on the end. Yeah, guys, thanks for the support on the videos lately. You lot are smashing it. We'll keep posting. You keep watching. We're all happy. Scottish road. I don't like the roads in Turkey or Greece. They freak me out. Drivers drive so fast, they never seem to slow down. Yeah, everyone enjoying themselves in that bar. I know. Oh, you got the old shooting range over there. Everyone's shooting. Salon. And again, beautiful restaurants, Greek food. That is best. Down here, they were just smashing the plates. We're staying down there at the end. So, if you've seen the day vlogs, I said, check out these places at night. Look how beautiful they look. Really, really beautiful restaurants. The mosquitoes will be waiting for you. Plenty of mosquitoes with your gyros. Hey, Sprinda loves the mosquitoes.
I really don't.
She does. Hello. She loves mosquitoes, Sabrina does. It's one of her favourite things, isn't it, Sabrina?
Oh yeah. Dog's favourite.
This one's open quite late as well. Labyrinth. Labyrinth is open quite late. A little arcade next to it. Oh yeah, check out this one, guys. Look, really pretty. Really nice. Not so busy at the moment. But yeah, it's very nice. Then you've got the bakery flavour. Henna tattoos as well, yeah. Supermarket, if you look at little bits, only little bits, it's expensive.
This is where we stayed last time, isn't it?
Yeah, we stayed down this road last time. What was it called? Remember? Sun Beach something?
Yeah, I think something like that.
It's actually quite nice.
Though, isn't it?
Yeah. And this bar, yeah, let me just come out a little bit. So this bar was open last year when we came. So we came for our beers every time we watched football in here. Just being redone. So as you can see, this will be fully ready for when you guys get here. Here's the little miniature church. So down there you got the Tui Carval, if I ever say it right, which I doubt I do. I think on the left here we're coming up to Tom and John's.
Yeah.
And then on the right you've got Tom and John's apartments. Quite expensive for a beer, and actually. I think it was €6 for our beer there earlier on each. It's the most expensive I've paid for a beer so far. Yeah.
It was good service though.
Yeah, of course. Had a shot with him. Maybe he charged me for the shot. He did say it was free. But anyway. Another nice restaurant here. Avili. If that's correct. Really nice. Let me know where you like to go for an even meal. And where's the best takeaway? Where do you go for a takeaway? Sabrina's saying a nice, there's a little shop now at night time. It's all done up. Really got some apartments upstairs. We're just coming up to the beach. Check this restaurant out here on the left. All lit up.
Yeah, I think this one's got apartments as well, isn't it?
Nearly enough, every single one of them comes with apartments. So I think the apartments are there on the left.
Yeah.
And then you've got the restaurant, Trenta Nova. Yeah, it's the same one. Pizzeria. So yeah, everyone winding down for the night. So you see the beach is just down there.
Probably won't be able to see it.
Maybe. Don't know how the night vision is working on this camera at the moment, but hopefully you can.
To test it, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not a bad camera, this one.
These ones are quite nice because you're literally right on the beach.
Yeah. Really nice apartments.
Again, let us know if you've stayed here because, again, really great for the location.
What's it called? Zakynthos. Sabrina wants to say it again. Tsilivi. She's at Tsilivi Beach. Tsilivi Beach. But look how windy it is. You guys weren't going to be able to hear me. So yeah, ain't gonna be much to see on the beach now because obviously it's pitch black and night time. But as you can see, this is where the thumbnail came from for one of our videos. Keep going around here on the left, I'll show you quickly. So this is a lovely little beach bar. Yeah, you do what you want. Sabrina's waiting there for me. So yeah, really nice. Oh no, you just got the Tui Blue. You've got more hotels. And yeah, check the water out. So guys, thanks for watching. It's Wah Gwan Tours. Remember to like, share, comment, share the video to all your family and friends. I don't know if you can even see me. There I am. So yeah, share the video to all your fans, all your family and your friends. And we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.